So we're headed up to the Gold's Cottage. There's a big storm in Ontario a couple months ago. There was a bunch of downed trees, so we're gonna go see what kind of projects we can do.
It's this beautiful old cottage near Peterborough, Ontario, and has this really great property, so super excited to see what it can offer.
And we're bringing Abby, and she's really excited to not be in the car anymore. Oh, hello, puppy.
Oh wow, there's a lot of branches.
Annie actually bicycles with her in a front pack.
Oh.
What do you think? Is that some good wood? Can we make a bench from that? you would like to directly support this channel and see what I'm up to behind the scenes, I have a Patreon page, which I'll link in the description. All of my patrons get exclusive access to a behind-the-scenes Instagram page where I post about projects as they're unfolding, like this bench build. This project was one of those things that I was kind of skeptical about at the outset, but in the end, I am so happy with how it turned out. I love how rustic and whimsical it looks. It fits in so well in a lakeside cottage setting, and I think I'm most excited for people to canoe by and see this sort of magical, fairy-like scene around the fire. Before I go, I would like to give a special thanks to my top supporter on Patreon, my mom, Kathy Kurt. Thank you, Mom, I love you. Thank you as well to Elaine Gold, who owns this cottage and allowed me to build that bench out of all of the down tree branches. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.